Good morning, everyone. We are live at 7:55 a.m. here in Pennsylvania. We're running a 3-winner mini for Gary's Luke Poncho figure. There, looks like a nice one. I got 36 spots in my list that I'm going to copy and take over to Random quick to get this done for you guys. Sorry for the delay. Every once in a while, one just slips through the cracks. And it would appear as though that was the case with this one. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better. We got a 10, so we are golden. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Chris takes round 1. Marcos 2. Troy in the top spot for round 3 and round 4. Donnie round 5. Chris 6. Troy again on top in round 7. Chris round 8. Troy on top in our next to last round, round 9. Bringing us, ideally, to the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Our winners are, what a tease, Chris, and Troy. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification code. Make things legit. HLS PHU is our verification code. There's our results. One more time. I am done. That's 7. Excuse me. 57. As you can see here, 757. Last time, there's the results. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.